Hello students, in last session from the textbook chapter number 12 areas related to circle example number 2 completed. Now we see next example number 3 from the textbook. See the question in your page number 228. Example 3. Find the area of the segment AYB shown in figure 12.9 if radius of circle is 21 cm and angle AOB is equals to 120 degree. Use pi is equals to 22 upon 7. If the figure is not given in the question, we are able to draw the figure. To draw a figure, draw one circle. In which AYB is the segment. Here is A, Y and B. The angle AOB is given 120 degree. So that we need to join center O with point A and point B, O to B and O to A. It is 120 degree. We need to find area of segment AYB. For that, we need to join chord AB and it is a segment, minor segment. The radius is also given 21 centimeter is the radius of circle. 21 centimeter. In your textbook also the figure is given. First write the radius of circle. Radius of circle R is equals to 21 centimeter. Theta is equals to 120 degree. To obtain area of segment, we need to find area of sector OAYB. Then subtract area of triangle OAB. First find area of sector. Area of sector OAYB is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square, where theta is 120 degree upon 360. The value of pi is not given, then take 22 upon 7. Radius r is equals to 21 into 21. 12 3s are 3 7s are and 7 7 cut. 21 2s are 42 and 42. 462 is the area of sector. 462. A unit is centimeter square. It is area of sector OAYB. Now to find the area of triangle OAB, draw perpendicular from the center. Suppose OM. Let OM perpendicular to AB. We know the perpendicular from center divides the chord AB. Therefore, OAM is equals to MB is equals to the half of AB. OM is a height, AB is a base. Angle AOB is 120 degree, so that half is 60 degree. Angle AOM is equals to angle BOM is equals to half of the angle AOB, where the angle AOB is given half of 120 degree. 260s are, so that this angle is 60 degree. Use one of the right triangle. Suppose right triangle OMB. in right triangle OMB. Use the trigonometry ratio sin 60 is equals to its opposite MB upon hypotenuse OB, where the sin 60 is equals to root 3 upon 2. MB remains as it is and OB is the radius of circle 21. By making MB as a subject, MB is equals to 21 root 3 upon 2 centimeter. MB is obtained here. Now we know AB is obtained by 2 times MB. AB is equals to 2MB. 2 into MB, 21 root 3 upon 2 centimeter. The 2 cut and we get 21 root 3 centimeter, which is AB. AB is obtained here. Now OM is the height. To obtain OM, use another trigonometry ratio cos. Cos 60 is equals to adjacent OM upon OB, where the cos 60 is 1 upon 2, OM remains as it is upon OB is 21. That's why OM is equals to 21 upon 2. Take it as it is. Unit is centimeter. Now we use formula to find area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB is equals to half into base AB into height OM. Half into AB is 21 root 3 and OM is 21 upon 2. 2 cut here, 2 as it is. 441 upon 4 root 3. Area of triangle, which is centimeter square. Now obtain the area of segment AYB. Now area of segment AYB is equals to area of sector OAYB minus area of triangle OAB. Area of the sector is 462 minus area of triangle 441 upon 4. Now see here, 462 is the multiplication of 22 and 21. 441 is the multiplication of 21 and 21. Take 21 as a common, remaining into the bracket 22 minus 21 upon 4 into root 3. The value of root 3 is not given in this sum. If given, then the substitute. Take LCM, 21 upon 22 4s are 88 minus 21 root 3 upon 4. Now take 4 as a common in separate denominator of 24, 21 upon 4 into bracket 88 minus 21 root 3. Unit is centimeter square. It is our required area of segment. Therefore, area of segment AYB is 21 upon 4 into bracket 88 minus 21 root 3 centimeter square. Here the example number 3 is completed. Let's see the exercise 12.2. The question number 1. Unless stated otherwise, use pi is equals to 22 upon 7. First number, Find the area of sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if angle of the sector is 60 degree. The simply sector said that a minor sector. Radius of sector is given, means radius of circle. Radius of circle R is equals to 6 cm. Angle of sector means theta is equals to 60 degree. We need to find area of sector. Draw one figure for that. One circle. O is center of circle. APB is minor arc. OB and OA are radii 6 cm each, and where the theta is 60 degree, and we need to find area of OAPB minor sector. Area of minor sector OAPB is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square, where theta is equals to 60 upon 360. If the pi is given, then take 3.14. Nothing is given, then take 22 upon 7 into r square. 6 into 6. 0 0 and 6 are 6 6 cut. 132 upon 7. Now we divide 132 by 7. 56. 56. 5 50. 7 18.86. Unit is centimeter square. It is required area of sector. Therefore, area of sector is 18.86 centimeter square. Here the first example, first sum of exercise 12.2 is completed. Now we discuss next. Let's see the next question from exercise 12.2, second number, question number 2. See the question on page number 230. Find the area of quadrant of circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Let's take radius of circle be the r. Let's take radius of circle is equals to r. The circumference is given. Circumference of circle is equals to 22 centimeter. The circumference is 2 pi r is equals to 22. 2. Substituting pi, 22 upon 7 into r is equals to 22. The 22 cut, we get r is equals to 7 upon 2. It is radius, unit is centimeter. What we need to find? Area of quadrant of circle. Now, area of quadrant of circle is equals to 1/4 area of circle. 1/4, the pi is not given, then 22 upon 7 and radius r 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 7 7 cut, 2 11s are 11 7 7s are 77, 4 2s are 8. Now we divide 77 by 8. 77 divide by 8. 72 5 and 0. 48 2 and 0. 16 4 and 0. 5s are 9.625. 9.625. It is area of quadrant of circle. Unit is centimeter square. Hence the area of quadrant of circle is obtained here. See the next question number 3. The length of minute hand of clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. To understand this question, let's draw one figure. Twelve, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. Suppose at the start the minute hand at 2, number 2. The length of minute hand is given 14 centimeter. After 5 minutes, minute hand is at 3. The length is also 14 centimeter. The area swept by minute hand represents a sector. Length of minute hand is equals to 14 centimeter. It is radius of sector or circle. Radius of circle r is equals to 14 centimeter. Now we obtain theta. Area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes represents sector. Suppose OAPB is the sector. To obtain area of sector, required first theta. If the minute is 60 degree, then the angle theta is 360 degree. The complete rotation by minute hand made a 360 angle in 60 minutes. But we need to find angle for 5 minutes. It is give theta 360 into 5 upon 60, which is 30 degree. Theta is equals to 30 degree. Therefore, area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes is equals to area of sector OAPB. The area of sector theta upon 360 into pi r square, where the theta is 30 upon 360 into pi. The value of pi is not given, then take 22 upon 7. Radius r is equals to 14 into 14. 0 0, 3 12s are 7 2s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 7s are 22 7, 22 into 7, 154. 154 upon 3. Now we divide 154 by 3. 1 0.333 up to infinite, 51.33. Unit is centimeter square. Hence, area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes is 51.33 centimeter square. The question number 3 is completed. Now see the next question number 4. Chord of circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at center. Find the area of the corresponding first minor segment and second major sector. First draw the figure for that. One circle. The question is on the same page, 230. O is center of circle, APB is minor arc and AQB is major arc. OA, OB are the radii. The radius of circle is given 10 centimeter. A chord of circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends right angle at center. Angle O is 90 degree. AB is the chord. To join AB represent chord made angle 90 degree. Here what we need to find? First is the area of minor segment. APB represent minor segment and major sector OAQB. To obtain area of segment APB, first required area of sector, then triangle. First write radius of circle. Radius of circle R is equals to 10 centimeter. Theta is equals to 90 degree. First obtain area of sector OAPB is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square, where the theta is 90 upon 360. The value of pi is 3.14 given. 3.14 r square 10 into 10. 19 4s are 1 upon 4. 314 upon 100 into 100. Now 100 cut. 2 2s are 157s are. Divide by 2 157. We get 7 2 7s are 8 and 0.5 unit centimeter square. It is area of sector. Now the triangle AOB is right triangle. Triangle AOB is right triangle. That's why AOB is equals to half into base OB into height OA, 1 upon 2 into 10 into 10, 2 5s are. That's why area of triangle AOB is 50 centimeter square. The first answer is obtained here. The area of minor segment. Area of minor segment APB is equals to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle AOB. The area of sector is 78.5 and area of triangle is 50. 78 minus 50, 28.5 centimeter square. It is area of minor segment. Second number is major sector. Area of major sector. Here the major sector is OAQB. OAQB is equals to 360 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. 360 minus theta is 90 upon 360, pi is 3.14 into 10 into 10. 360 minus 90, 270 upon 360 into 314 upon 100 into 100. 100 is cut, 0 cut, by 9, 27 and 36 divisible. 9 3s are and 4s are, 2 2s are, 157s are. 157 into 3, 471, divide by 2, and we get 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 5s are 235.5 centimeter square. It is the area of major sector. Here 2 questions from the exercise. 3 question. Question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4 is completed. If you have any query regarding the sums, please tick mark it very well and ask me particular in the classrooms. And again, query in a homework, please tell me. Whenever we meet in next session, we discuss our new sums from the exercise 12.2.